Okay, that's right by the probe?
That's right next to the sensor.
Okay.
98, yeah, 98 too.
The whole thing forward, which whatever, for our mission of making some power here, we're not.
How much boost was that?
22.
But real low timing, you'd say, or?
That's the magic question of what is low, but
Yeah.
so that was, you know, degrees at 6,200,
To keep the
and then we're like degrees, you know, out the top. So everything I know, I think that we conservative.
Yeah.
That's two filters too. I just noticed that.
What's that?
Right now,
Yeah, right through the filters too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Watching it, pulling tiny.
You gotta drive it?
Doesn't look like it, right?
Nah, it doesn't look like it.
But then, yeah, on the street. That's right. That was the
Love this pump.
Pretty official pump you got.
Dude, because I rode that, my big thing is road racing. And I run E in my Camaro, and I literally get like I can burn in one session, a 15-minute session, I could burn over half a tank.
Yeah, we'll have to talk about it.
Thanks.
I mean, I know online we'll set up the load just for safety, but he kind of wanted it on like map 10 or something like that.
That's C16 you said?
No, this is just E85. This is race E85, not pump.
Yeah, I think pump's actually good.
It's super
I
fast.
spent all that money on that one that always fails. That's electronic,
Oh yeah, the electronic ones always explode.
and then I use it like 8 times and just seized up. I have to like take the little piece off the back. It has those little fins type deal, plastic ones. And
Yeah,
always,
this is
something happens
race
to it.
E85. I wish I had the
So right
E98.
now, look, so all my boxes. So right now,
It has like the, I guess it's flex fuel, right? Yeah, it's amazing just going from 85 to 98, how much it changes the whole mixture.
Oh yeah.
the dyno kind of soft.
You want to bump it up? Okay. Something else stopped you. We didn't get to the end of the dyno. That's set to 95.
Maybe I did 4th gear or some shit.
I would have freaked out if you were in 4th. Look, it probably, just based off of other cars I've done, it probably closed the throttle for some reason.
Well, it could have.
It kind of feels the same way.
Yeah. Well, I mean, the tachometer went to,
Well, what'd you see for RPM on here?
that was 87.
Yeah, that's about what I saw on here. Like I said, this.
Okay.
Yeah, this isn't shut you down till 95.
I just know the other one only went 83, but I guess it didn't tip off. So
That's why I asked you what you thought the max RPM was going to be,
yeah.
and then I always go 500 RPM or so higher.
And the Audi, you just have the one button that does it. But this one, you have to have it in course mode and the manual. And I just hit the manual and didn't have it in the course mode. So.
Too many buttons for me. I'm already too dumb to drive one of these things. What'd you change on that run?
Pretty much just revved it higher, and then that was about it.
Oh, okay, just
Yeah,
gotcha.
yeah,
Okay.
just, and then we added that fuel, so I just wanted to see You know, I'm still getting the same knock, right? So I'm feeling compelled to go tune those two cylinders. So this is a 10 plate clutch or 9?
No, it's a 10. It's the latest 10.
Yeah.
If you can make third gear, you know, be all of it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The torque.
Yeah, that'd be fun. So, all right, here we go.
You gotta do one more pull with like this.
I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna turn up a couple pounds, and then we'll go to ice, and then I'm assuming that we'll go straight after that.
Yeah, if we throw ice in it, then we'll throw race gas in it too.
Well, I mean, it doesn't. You only care about the race gas if you drop the fuel pressure.
Yeah, so don't
So if
even.
I'm not dropping fuel
So
pressure,
there's really no point then.
right, there's no point. But let's say I go up to 2 pounds, all of a sudden drop fuel pressure, then I put the race gas.
Run it, yeah. You want to put some ice in it though? 'Cause-
Well, I figured we'll just get it where I'm happy, and then we'll put the.
Okay, see if it makes a difference.
Well, I know it will make a difference, but obviously if I'm still tuning it, we're not the glory hole type spot. I don't want to burn up all the ice until I know I'm ready for it.
Yeah, get it like it's gonna be on the street and then all that.
not that uncommon when they're cold and
Yeah.
all the bullshit's doing what it does. They usually clean up after the first run or so. I know that feeling oh too well.
It's just fucking gloves and boots.
Yeah, for a couple pounds that made a pretty significant difference.
That's like 26 pounds, so we don't really go any higher than that. It had a fuel surge warning come on.
Did it?
So that's it. We're done. I'm afraid of blowing the intake. That's your call. You want to put race gas in it and turn the boost up more or no? Yeah.
What does he say? No?
He's happy.
Yeah.
I'm happy. If we can drive it back onto the trailer, I'm happy.
Yeah, that's
I
the
don't like
main,
pushing shit. I don't like pulling shit.
that's the main objective of the day right there.
One piece.
Yeah. And what did the E turn out to be that time? I think we're on where's the 82.
I guess you're out, I'm sure. I guess let's go for it, you know,
Yeah.
until.